Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing both your phone green screen clip and the replacement background into Premiere Pro. Place the phone clip on V2 and background on V1 so layering works. This is crucial. Then, make sure your sequence matches the phone clip's frame rate and resolution, because mismatched settings create drifting or scaling issues. If the phone uses a different color profile, use Interpret Footage. This preserves color and frame timing. Once done, you're ready to key. Next, apply the Ultra Key effect to your phone clip and pick the green with the eyedropper. You want the most neutral green area. Then, tweak matte generation. Increase shadow and tolerance until most green disappears. Use pedestal and transparency to clean edges. Move to matte cleanup for choke and soften to fix fine edges. Finally, use spill suppression and color correction to match foreground to background. This prevents green fringe and makes the subject sit naturally. To finish, frame the composite. Adjust scale and position or place the background inside the phone screen with a mask. Nest the sequence if you need to track motion. Render a short test export in H.264 to inspect edges and color over time. If you see haloing, jitter, or color shifts, first verify original lighting and reshoot if possible. Otherwise, rekey using a different sample point, add a garbage matte to remove stray green, and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.